Hey there, savvy savers. If you're thinking about rolling over your 401k to JP Morgan self-directed investing, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the entire process step by step, so you can take control of your retirement funds with confidence. Why do this? Well, a rollover lets you move your money from a traditional employer-sponsored 401k to a more flexible account, potentially offering lower fees, a wider range of investment options, and better long-term growth potential. Plus, JP Morgan's platform is user-friendly and packed with tools to help you manage your portfolio. First things first, start by checking if you're eligible for a rollover. Generally, you can do this if you've left your job, are over 59.5, or want to consolidate accounts. Once you're good to go, head over to the JP Morgan website and open a self-directed investing account. It's straightforward. Just provide your personal info, link your bank, and choose your account type, like a traditional IRA. Next, contact your current 401k provider. They'll give you the necessary forms, often called a rollover request or distribution form. Make sure to specify a direct rollover to avoid any taxes or penalties. Your money goes straight from your old account to the new one. Fill out the forms accurately, double-check for details like account numbers, and submit them. This usually takes a few days to a couple of weeks. While you're waiting, keep an eye on your investments. Once the funds arrive in your JP Morgan account, you can start investing right away, whether it's in stocks, ETFs, or mutual funds. Pro tip: always consult a financial advisor to ensure this move aligns with your goals, and watch out for any fees involved in the transfer. And there you have it. Rolling over your 401k doesn't have to be complicated. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to a more personalized retirement strategy. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Let's build that secure future together. Thanks for watching.